Tom's Magic English. I eat too much. In today's story, we're going to meet Mike. Mike likes to eat a lot. Let's see what happens when he eats too much. I am hungry. So I eat fries. But I am hungry. So I eat some chicken. But I am hungry. So I eat some fish. But I am hungry. So I eat some cake. But I am hungry. So I eat a burger. My tummy hurts. I eat too much. What did Mike eat today? He had fries, chicken, fish, cake, and a burger. He had too much to eat. Remember, don't eat too much. Thank you for studying with Tom's Magic English. See you in the next video.